Welcome back, guys. I made it, and gals. I made it back to the headquarters, safe and sound. What it do, people? It's your boy Easy E. We out here in El Ridge, Iowa, picking up a new Copart car, listed as a non-runner, a no start, whatever you want to call it. But we out here early Friday morning. It's cold out here. They are not open yet, so I'm just up here. Well, they're not open to the public yet, so I guess I'm the first person here, so I can get back home. But you know, Easy E has to travel a lot to get these cars. I need to finish the cars I already got, but I'll show y'all around. They ain't even open. Take a little peek right quick. So here y'all go. We out here at Copart. I might well just say Davenport. I prefer to say Davenport. But we out here at Copart, 3601 South 1st Street. Graham doing good. I said just gotta wait for them to open. I'll get back to y'all once I get in. So what's up? I'm back. They got the truck loaded. Let's go take a look. Here's the 2006 Pontiac Torrent. This is a non-runner. Got a lot of rust, but you know we can fix that. The two rust spots I seen in the picture was this one and this one, but this is normal up under here. Got another one back here. This is all repairable. Some doors, which is easy fix. Damage here, damage there, damage everywhere. And that's they even took the windshield wipers. So this is the 2006 Pontiac Torrent, only 116,000 miles. This is a non-runner, this is a junk car. We'll see what's going on with it. The worst case scenario, I'll buy another one. But let me hit the road, get this baby strapped down, hit the road, and get back home. I'll see y'all when I get back. I made it back to the headquarters safe and sound. We have the non-running Copart car. I was gonna give y'all once over. Like I said, they stole the wipers, even took the wipers. So I don't got no wipers. And I really want to know what's wrong. I got dents and dings all over the place. Here's the interior. Something I've been seeing, these rubber bands are corroded. Interior's kind of decent. Got some dirt down there. A little bit of mold growing in the cup holder. A lighter in there. So I got the books. So that's a good sign. Got the owner's manuals. The seat gonna have to be replaced. Carpet's gonna have to be replaced as always. Like this little center console gonna have to be replaced. That's if we can get the car running. Like I said, it's a nice little car. We have no power. Yeah, no power. Just a couple things got to be replaced. After first get this car running. I don't know when y'all gonna see this video because I'm always busy doing other things. But I gotta get these keys out of here. Like I said, this is a 2006 Pontiac Torrent. According to the Carfax report, it has been registered since 2017. So I wonder what happened to old girl. She only got 116,000 miles. And whoever kept her kept up with the key fob. That might be a good sign. Everything in here kind of dusty. Only thing see wrong was that seat got a hole in it. These door cards right here, little scratched up like they was hauling stuff in it. Oh, look at that. Wasp nest inside the gas can, dead wasp. So we know this thing been sitting for a long time. Got a wasp nest inside the gas thing. I clean that out. So I wonder what the story is behind this car. I took the keys out, think I can open the trunk. Came with the trunk from this. Got that power. Pop the trunk from the inside. Well, I didn't get on this side. So yeah, I gotta replace some stuff. Do a little painting. That we do. But we'll get her done. She got brand new tires. We got Bridgestones in the back and Coopers in the front. They're matching. Coopers in the front, matching Bridgestones in the back. Pretty good tread. Like somebody own this car, don't know what the thing going on with this car, but I like these platforms right here. I don't know what y'all want to call them, because it's like the Chevy Equinox, the Saturn Vue, and the Pontiac Torrent. So y'all let me know in the comment section below, what would y'all do with this car? I think this car was donated because I looked at the title, it said pedal. I know pedals for junk cars. Even the title said it had a sticker from pedal from junk. Like somebody donated it. It's been sitting for a long time. But like I said, I don't know, I jump into that eventually. But y'all follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Y'all will know I post things way before I post them on my YouTube channel. So that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. I don't know what more I can say, but make sure you like this video, give me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs down. Either one to do. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Let us know about the 2006 Copart Pontiac Torrent with 116,000 miles. And what can the mechanical issues be with this car? We don't know, but we're gonna jump into it. And share this video on your social media if you would. Share with your family members. Let them know that somebody new on YouTube that does project cars and never finish them. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to this channel. And with all that said, stay tuned and stay blessed. And we take Cash App donations, and we have merch at teespring.com. Peace.